Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a golf hole in your backyard. First, select a suitable location in your yard, ideally a flat, well-drained spot. Consider the size and shape you envision for your putting green. A common dimension might be 10 feet by 15 feet. Next, gather all your essential tools, including a sturdy shovel, a sod cutter for precise removal, and a reliable measuring tape to ensure accuracy. This initial planning is crucial for a successful project. Now, mark the exact outline of your planned green using string or spray paint and pinpoint where your golf cup will be. Carefully dig out the entire marked area to a consistent depth of approximately 4 inches, ensuring a level base. A good drainage system is vital for longevity. Lay down a layer of gravel, then position a perforated pipe, covering it with more gravel to prevent waterlogging and maintain playability. Next, spread a layer of crushed stone over the prepared base, compacting it thoroughly with a plate compactor for stability. This creates a solid foundation. Follow this with a thin layer of sand, carefully leveling it to achieve a perfectly smooth surface for your putting. Finally, unroll your chosen artificial turf, meticulously trimming it to precisely match the contours of your green. Secure the edges for a professional finish. To complete your backyard golf hole, carefully cut a precise hole in the turf for the cup, ensuring it fits snugly and flush with the surface. Install the golf cup and flagstick, then evenly spread infill material like sand or rubber granules over the turf. This helps the blades stand up and provides a realistic feel. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your golfing experience. Enjoy your new putting green.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.